Hello, this is Brett McDonald with the National Weather Service in Riverton. It's Wednesday, December 23rd, and I want to give you a quick update on the weather that's going to be impacting Christmas Day across Wyoming. All right, well, here's a quick summary. We've got a low pressure system moving into the western U.S. on Christmas Eve, and it will impact Wyoming on Christmas Day, pushing snow into the far western Wyoming and then into southwest Wyoming overnight. Then on Christmas Day, we'll see an increase in snow and cold air down from the north into central and southern Wyoming. And then by the end of Christmas Day and the next day, we should see the snow increase especially in eastern Wyoming. So that's where it looks like it's going to be the biggest impact. Let's take a look at some of the maps. All right, so here we are, Christmas Eve, 5 o'clock. Our low pressure system is moving onto the western U.S. and we've got some precipitation. That's what the shading is right here, moving into the western part of the state. And then by Christmas morning, that snow will be moving into the southwestern part of the state, and we can start to see some north winds wanting to come into Wyoming as colder air gets drawn down out of Canada. So by the middle of the day on Christmas, we should see a lot of this come together with this split low pressure system, increasing snow across southern and central Wyoming with north winds developing. And then by Christmas evening, those winds will strengthen a bit across the eastern two-thirds of the state, with snow again increasing across much of eastern and central Wyoming by Christmas evening. And then by Saturday morning, day after Christmas, as the storm system begins to push off into the plains, we see a lot of the snow concentrating more in eastern Wyoming, again with north winds. So we'll be expecting some good precipitation amounts with this storm system, particularly across the mountains of Wyoming and then across eastern Wyoming and then the southeast mountains. And this is our expected snowfall for the next 3 days. And you can see that again, a lot of the mountains will be picking up some more good snow, but as that storm system moves, it'll push snow across the southern corridor and especially into the central area. Especially the higher terrain, so Lander, Riverton, Casper, Rock Springs, Green River especially will be expecting some snow. Now this is going to impact travel, so please be prepared to keep updated with the weather conditions across I-25 as well as I-80, especially if you're traveling anywhere to the east and south. So thanks for spending some time with us today. Please keep in touch with us on our internet site by checking out the map, and don't forget to look at the Wyoming webcams and the Wyoming YDOT map to see how the roads look where you're going. Thanks.